Hey guys, so getting my hair butterfly. Don't worry, it was back there. Okay, my butterfly, Nola, Tress, put in, and so I did few already. So yeah, so let me show you the braiding pattern that we're doing. So I'm gonna. Can, can you see? So, okay guys, so this is the hair I'm going to be using. I already had a first impression video going on. So I'm gonna start with the 10" first, and then the 12", and then the 14". Okay, so we already started doing this, so yeah. All right, so to this. Easy. So this is the 12. Um,
He trying to change the show. You better not change that show. I'm gonna flop.
You know he need a nose strip. You should give him that. Like
but why he need a nose strip when
he can just
he
wash
has
his face.
yes and clean his face? Got brush. So you want to tell me
A
all this
hairbrush?
stuff?
Well, you know, sometimes
Face brush.
the brushes, don't. It's not as coarse as you want it to be.
Yeah, but
So
I even have that thing I bought from Dollar Tree.
That nose scrubber.
Yes, the cloth itself.
Oh, that thing that you use on
Yes,
your
and
nose?
that thing can scrub your face really good. You know what I'm talking about? Oh,
That orange thing?
go again, but go bring it. Remember the cream one, the one I
That
can.
you put on the cream?
Yeah, the one.
What is that?
It's like the bath. How you call it, Gabriel? The bath.
Bombs.
No, the face wash cloth.
The washcloth.
Yeah, the cream one, the one with the dot things on
You
it.
said 5 minutes.
It's 5.
There's a washcloth with dots on
You want me
it.
to stop?
That blue
Yeah,
one.
stop it for you.
Ah! Your art sucks. First of all, my art is the best. No, that's why. At the school, they're selling art, and mine's got picked first. And they bet $100 on it, but I don't get the 100. The school gets the 100. So they owe me $100 in cash. They owe me $100 in cash, and I'm waiting. Deadline is closed by Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. I forgot what I was going to search on.
So you guys, this hair is very heavy. I did it this way because when I to install this, I started feeling heavy. The braids are so heavy, so I'm not gonna put anything in the middle like this. No, 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 no. Not gonna put anything there. I'd rather put the hair up and do that way. You guys, when I say this hair is heavy, it is heavy, okay? So, no. No, the hair is pretty and everything, but it is heavy. So I don't know how people be doing like 6, 8 packs and things like that. But girl, this is heavy like a hug. No, I'm sweating, you guys. Look, I'm sweating already. Look at. No, 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 no. So I will put this in a bun, and once I'm all done, I will show you guys the final look. But hell nah, nah. Nope. Nope. You got jokes this evening. Okay. I got jokes in the morning.
Stop.